Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Property Inventory List for the Oregon Department of Energy's Building Performance Standard program. The Property Inventory List is a key component in helping ODO understand and refine the buildings that will be required to comply with the Building Performance Standard. It is also an opportunity for ODO to confirm contact information of building owners across the state to ensure they get the most up-to-date and accurate information. You can access the property inventory list by scanning the QR code on the notification mailer, if you received one in the mail, or going directly to the website. Let's get started. Creating an account. First, create an account by registering. Click on the person icon located at the top right corner of the page and click Register. If you already have an account, click Sign In. To register, you need an email address. You need to set a password. Next, confirm the creation of this account through an email sent after submitting your registration. Please note, it's normal for this email to take 15 minutes to arrive in your inbox. Thank you for your patience. Once you confirm your account using the link in your email, return back to the inventory. Click the person icon on the top right corner and click Log In. You will be prompted to enable multi-factor authentication. This is optional, but recommended. It's a measure to improve the security of your account. Find your building. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find your building or buildings in the inventory. Click Search in the top ribbon. If you received a letter in the mail, you can enter the unique building ID or UBID provided in the letter. Your UBID will look something like this. Please note the UBID must be entered exactly as printed, including any hyphens or plus signs. The second way to find your building in the inventory is to search by address. For best results, put in just the street number and street name, how it appears on your mailed letter. The system is sensitive to abbreviation. If you did not receive a letter, try a few variations on your address, and if you cannot find it, please contact ODO. Completing the inventory. Click to open your building's profile. Now it's time to input some basic information required for this program. Building information. Enter the gross square feet of your building, excluding any parking garages, and the building activity type. Please note the gross square footage excludes any parking garages. Hover over key terms to see the definition. Physical address information. Enter the full address for the building. Please enter the state and the country. Mail address information. Enter a full mailing address for the building owner. Click the left-hand button to have the mailing address match the building address. Building owner contact information. Please save after every entry. Enter the building owner's first and last name. Press Save Owner Contact. Enter the best email to reach the building owner. Click the Save New Email Address button. Enter the best phone number to reach the building owner. You must select the type of phone. Enter the number 1 for the country code, followed by the rest of the 10-digit phone number. Click the Save New Phone Number button. Building Manager Contact Information. The Building Manager contact information is not mandatory. This section is where you can designate someone from your company to also receive information and updates. Notes. The Notes section is an optional field. If there is additional information you want the program to know, you can enter it here. Before you click Submit Draft to ODO, look over your information for accuracy. Once you click Submit, you will not be able to edit any of the information. You can add additional notes, though, after submitting your building's information. If you're not ready to submit, you may return to your draft at any time by clicking Search and entering your UBID once again. The system will have saved what you've already put into it. After submitting your profile, You will receive a confirmation email with additional information such as standard requirements, compliance dates, and next steps. If you have additional buildings covered by this program, repeat the steps for each building. If you have additional buildings but did not receive mail, please contact ODA. Resources. If you have questions, please visit the ODA website. On the website, you will find guidance documents, frequently asked questions, and more resources to help building owners understand how to comply with the Building Performance Standard program. If you have additional questions, contact the team at OregonBPS@energy.oregon.gov.